Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to present our video presentation for this subject, which is BIO320, with the topic that we have choose, which is sea otters with the kingdoms of the Animalia. Before we go further, let me introduce our group members. So the first one is me myself, Muhamad Zuhairi bin Zainuddin. The second one is Faris Faisal bin Ahmad Yani. The third one is Muhamad Zikri bin Mokhtazar. The fourth one is Muhammad Faris bin Ahmad Roslan, and the last one is Abdul Hayyi bin Aziz. So for the contents of this video presentation will include the taxonomic description, habitat of sea otters, characteristic of sea otters, life cycle of sea otters, the importance of sea otters, and the fun facts of sea otters.
For sea otter taxonomy description, its scientific name is Anhydrolocris with the Animalia kingdom, Chordata phylum, Vertebrata subphylum, Mammalia class, Pteria subclass, Eutheria infraclass, Carnivora order, California suborder, Mustelidae family, Lutrinae subfamily, and Hydra genus.
So hi and Assalamualaikum. So my name is Muhammad Zuhairi. I will explain about the habitat of sea otters. So the first one, sea otters inhabit coastal waters, usually less than half of mile from shore. Next, their typical haunts include precipitous rocky shores, barrier reefs, tight water stones, and dense forests.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Abdul Aziz, and I would like to talk about the characteristic of sea otters. The first one, they have a body length between 55 and 130 centimeters, a tail length between 13 and 33 centimeters, and they weigh between 21 to 28 kilogram. They have very dense brown fur and a strong flat tail that act as a rudder. They have flipper like hind feet and small front teeth with retractable claws that they use for grooming and holding onto their foot and onto each other. Sea otter have an excellent eyesight, a good sense of smell, and a strong teeth. And sea otter is one of the thickest fur of any animal. They spend most of their time grooming themselves. And last for me, when they sleep, they often hold paws or attach themselves to cap to prevent them from drifting away from their group, because they sleep underwater, right, on the river. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
For the life cycle, we have first birth, 2 material care, 3 nursing and learning, 4 independent, 5 maturity, reproduction, and lastly is parenting. So let's go through the life cycle of sea otter. First, we have birth. Female sea otter give birth to a single pup in the water. Second, material care. The mother otter take care of the pup, providing it with milk for nourishment. And 3, nursing and learning. The pup nurses from its mother for about 6 to 8 months. And lastly is independent. It's venue to venture out on its own, exploring its surrounding and practicing its foraging skill. So 5, we have maturity. Female maturing between 3 and 6 years, and male typically maturing between 5 and 7 years. For reproduction, all sexually mature sea otter engage in the mating behavior. And lastly, parenting. When a female sea otter gives birth, she become a mother and go through the cycle again.
Okay, sea otters doesn't have that many importance to humanity, but in the forest ecology, it has some importance to the kelp forest and in the aquatic habitats. First, it is extremely important to preserving the harmony of the nearshore habitats. including the kelp forest, embayments, estuaries. Without the sea otters, sea urchin might overrun the ocean floor and eat the kelp forest that many other marine species depends on for shelter and food. It's indirectly maintaining the carbon dioxide levels as the kelp absorbing all the carbon dioxide inside of the seawater.
Fun facts about sea otters. Sea otters eat 25% of their body weight in food every day. Their diet may include sea urchins, crabs, mussel, and clams. They are known to crack open their food with a rock and eat while floating in the water, making sea otters one of the very few mammals that use tools. Sea otters are essential keystone species to the kelp forest habitat, as they help to control the sea urchins such as Pacific purple sea urchin from overgrazing the kelp forest.
So based on this video presentation, we can conclude that Anhydra lutris, also known as sea otters, belong to the kingdom of Animalia. As for its characteristic, sea otters is a carnivorous mammal from the phylum Chordata. As it is a predator, it plays a very important role in its habitat.
So here is the reference we have used to complete this video presentation.